What do you think is the most rewarding yet most difficult job in the trades? We think of trades jobs. Our minds often jump to plumbers, carpenters, electricians, and the like. And while these are all integral roles, there's a certain field that stands out above the rest. A field that is not only rewarding, but also demands an exceptional level of skill and dedication. Yes, we're talking about the role of a power generation technician. This job is not for the faint of heart, or for those unwilling to put in the hard work. But for those who dare, the rewards are unparalleled. You may ask, why this job? What makes it so special? What differentiates it from the sea of other trades jobs? Well, my friends, stick around as we delve into the world of power generation technicians. Those who might not know, a power generation technician is a professional who specializes in maintaining and repairing power generators. Being a power generation technician is like mastering multiple trades in one. You may wonder, how so? Well, let's break it down. First, there's the mechanical aspect. Technicians need to have a deep understanding of how machines work. They need to be able to diagnose and fix mechanical issues with generators, whether it's a faulty engine or a damaged alternator. This requires a keen eye for detail, a steady hand, and a logical mind. There's the electrical component. Technicians need to be well versed in electrical systems, need to understand how electricity is generated, how it's distributed, and how it's used. They need to be able to troubleshoot electrical problems and ensure that the generators they're working on are safe and efficient. But that's not all. Power generation technicians also need to have strong IT skills. They often have to program controllers, set up relays and alarms, and use diagnostic software to identify and fix issues. Means they need to be comfortable with technology and have a good understanding of how different systems interact with each other. So, you see, being a power generation technician isn't just about knowing one trade. It's about mastering several. It's about being versatile, adaptable, and always ready to learn. This multi-skilled nature of the job is what makes power generation technicians a unique and indispensable part of the trades. Breadth and depth of their skill set are what sets them apart from other trades. And for those who are up to the challenge, the rewards are truly worth it. Consider this: a young man named John, fresh out of trade school, begins his journey as a power generation technician. Imagine John's first day on the job, his heart pounding with anticipation, nerves tingling with the excitement of stepping into a world he had only ever dreamed of. The world of power generation technicians, a realm filled with the hum of generators, the clank of tools, and the smell of metal and oil. John's journey wasn't easy, not by a long shot. The first few weeks were a whirlwind of intensive training, learning the ins and outs of generators, from the smallest portable units to the massive industrial behemoths. His head spun with the complex systems, the intricate workings of engines and alternators, and the myriad of safety protocols that had to be followed to the letter. The challenges didn't stop there. Every day brought new problems to solve, new machines to fix, and new locations to navigate. There were days when John felt like giving up, when the strain of the job seemed too much. But each time he remembered why he chose this path. The promise of mastering a trade that not only rewarded him with a good paycheck, but also the satisfaction of a job well done. But it wasn't all hard work. There were moments of pure joy too. The thrill of bringing a dead generator back to life, the satisfaction of a client's grateful smile, and the camaraderie among his fellow technicians. These were the moments that made all the hard work worth it. John's journey was a testament to the resilience and determination needed to succeed in this trade. He faced each challenge head on, never backing down, always learning, always improving. He was driven by the knowledge that with each passing day he was one step closer to mastering his craft. And so, despite the long hours, the grueling training, and the constant challenges, John remained committed. He knew that the journey wasn't easy, but he also knew that the rewards at the end of the road were worth every drop of sweat and every moment of struggle. John remained committed, driven by the potential rewards of mastering this trade. As John progressed in his career, he began to reap the rewards of being a power generation technician. The beauty of this profession is not just in the satisfaction of mastering a challenging trade, but also in the tangible rewards and benefits that come with it. One of the most significant advantages is the comprehensive insurance package. This isn't just your typical insurance. We're talking about health, dental, and eye coverage that ensures John and his family are well taken care of. And let's not forget the financial security. A 401k plan is another major perk of this job. It's not a luxury that every trade job offers. It's a retirement savings plan that allows John to invest a portion of his paycheck before taxes are taken out. This means he's not just working for the now, he's securing his future too. Now picture this. After a long day of work, instead of having to navigate public transport or fight traffic in his own car, John hops into his take-home vehicle. Not only does this add convenience to his daily routine, but it also saves him a considerable amount of money on transport costs. It's like icing on the cake. Speaking of the cake, the pay scale in this trade is nothing short of impressive. Power generation technicians are among the highest earners in the trades, reflecting the level of skills and knowledge required for the job. This isn't a job where you're paid peanuts for hard work. No. This is a job where the paycheck matches the effort. These rewards and benefits don't just fall into your lap, though. They are the result of hard work, continuous learning, and dedication to the craft. But once you've earned them, they make all the hard work worthwhile.